Hello guys, recently I launched on GitHub such a thing, Laravel Roadmap Learning Path, the list of topics for levels like beginner level with links, subtopics and stuff like that. But not a lot of people know that it's actually generated by QuickAdminPanel. So this is the actual project on my local computer, which I then transformed into Markdown export for the GitHub. And it was actually generated with our QuickAdminPanel. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to generate simple admin panel like this one for your personal projects or something similar. And in general, this video is not that much about QuickAdminPanel, but about the way of thinking, how to structure the database and then how to transform it into a project with QuickAdminPanel. So how I started thinking, I wanted to have a roadmap something like this. So first thought, what would be the database structure, or in fact, what would be the list of database tables, models, or in fact, entities, it is called in a general programming language. So I started to think, okay, I need topics, right? So let's list topics. Then every topic should have links about tutorials or something like that. Then every topic should belong to a level, like junior level or something like that. Then I thought, while already doing the project, that links may be from the official docs, from my courses, from YouTube, from somewhere else. So it makes sense to have link types as a general Laravel model. And finally, I came up with a structure called projects, which is demo projects for each level, which are not yet on GitHub, but I will publish them a bit later. So I came up with a structure of 5 tables, and then I started to list the fields. So topics should have, for example, topic name, topic maybe description, something like that, so field by field. Then links should be link type ID, which is foreign key, and field by field I've listed those. So this is how I prepare for the database structure for almost any project. I'm not that visual guy, I'm more of a structure guy, like core backender at heart. So I don't like to visualize things, I like to structure things from database level first. And then you can transform that into a Laravel project by hand or with the help of our QuickAdminPanel. So in QuickAdminPanel, I've generated those 5 menu items, which is exactly the representation of those 5 database tables. All the other stuff is from default QuickAdminPanel, like logout, change password, and user management. And now I will show you how to generate it in like a few minutes or so. So when you're logged into your QuickAdminPanel account, this is, by the way, how many demo projects I've done over the years. But anyway, you create a new project, and now we have 3 versions. The good old Laravel plus jQuery data tables. Then in 2020, we released Vue.js version of the generator, and later in 2021, we released Livewire version. So pick your poison, so to speak. But I will choose Laravel plus jQuery Classic because I don't care. In this case, this is admin panel for myself. I don't care that much about underlying technology. I just need to create the structure. So for example, learning path, let's create the project, and then there are a few things that you can change from the general settings, like Laravel version, like models location, language if it's not English, and stuff like that. But I just leave that as default and create that. And by default, QuickAdminPanel generates 4 CRUDs for you, 4 menu items, or in fact 3. So this is parent menu item, and there are 3 inside, which has a purpose of managing the users. By default, we generate 2 roles, admin and simple user, and admin can add other users. But then we can create CRUD menu item one by one. And this is important, the order how we create. So let's get back to our list. So without fields yet, so topic, links, link types, level projects. What we cannot create until something else exists. So for example, link types should be before links because links should belong to a link type, right? Also, topic should belong to a level, and level should be before topic, otherwise we cannot connect them. So something like that. So first we create the levels, and level is a CRUD, model name level, and then we add the fields one by one. So for levels, all we need is name. There are different field types, so name, save. That's it, save CRUD, so save menu items, and then you can click preview panel to check the panel at any time. But we will move on to create other menu items. While the code is generated, by the way, in the sidebar, you can create more stuff. So topics, for example, so topics, and topic may belong to a level, so add new field. And we have belongs to relationship to a level, like this. we choose the model to belong to, level, and what fields to show in the list. So we will show level name in the list table of topics. And that's it, we save. So topic belongs to a level, and we can edit the CRUD if I forgot, for example, to add more fields, which I did actually. So every topic should have a name of the topic and maybe some other fields. Also, you can create the relationship to itself. So topic may have subtopics, which is exactly in my case. So if you take a look at GitHub, this is the topic and this is subtopic, but it's in the same database table. So I can do edit topics and add belongs to relationship to the topic itself. So topic, and choose the topics here like this, and then I can choose the topic as a drop down. As I mentioned previously, at any time you can click preview panel, and then the files are deployed onto our virtual server, and you will get some temporary URL to check how the project actually works. So it's running now composer install, then it will run PHP Artisan migrate. So in general it takes around a minute or so, so I will skip the video until it's done. Okay, we're good. So we have the model window of default username and password. We continue, and we can log in to our admin panel with admin.com, and password is password. So there are topics and there are levels. So this is what has been generated. And then one by one you generate more menu items, and then when you're happy with the code, you download the full code. In the trial version you can just view the code, which shows all the files like controllers with admin and, for example, level controller, or you can take a look at models like level model or topic model, which we have just created with belongs to relationship, for example. So all the code is possible to view, but downloading the code is possible only after purchase. Our QuickAdminPanel is not a free tool, and this actually sponsors our free thing. So the more people purchase QuickAdminPanel and my other products like courses, the more time I personally have to work on free projects like this roadmap. So it's kind of ironic, but at the same time sweet, that I can do a lot of free stuff sponsored by people who purchase premium products like QuickAdminPanel. So when you're happy, you're downloading the full code, and then locally I have installed it in my Laravel Valet, and this is how it looks. In my case, I can also show you how to export that roadmap. So I've made an artisan command, which is not part of QuickAdminPanel. Artisan command generate markdown, which goes through the levels with topics and subtopics, and for each of the level it adds the markdown syntax like level description with some bold stuff with some links, so it forms the table and puts it into roadmap.md locally, which I then copy and paste into GitHub to have something like this. So that's it, a quick demo of how to use QuickAdminPanel, or generally how to think about database structure. If you want to check it out, as you can see in this video, URL is quickadminpanel.com. And see you guys in other videos.